Hi, it's Sam Manor from Little's Child Restraints. Today we're at Smeet and Grange at the Engineers Workshop and we're working on a Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 2019 model. So what they've done, this is actually an ex-ambulance vehicle. So have a look at this. This is the van, as you can see how big it is. They're actually going to convert this into a camper van. So they've done the right thing. What they've done, they've called us and said, listen, we want to get you two-seater in here. I mean, you can get single seats, double seats, or a three-seater. They've opted to get a two-seater for their children. Now, with the two-seater, it's a tech-safe seat and it does require an engineer's report. So I'm going to show you what we've done. Now what they've done was a really good thing. So they said, let's get the seat in and then they're going to do all the fit out to suit around the actual seat. So here you have it. It's got the armrest on both sides. So you got the armrest, you got the retractable seat belts that are built into it, which is great. The armrests go up. And the beauty about this seat, it does double fold. So what it does here, on the back of the seat here, come over, bring the camera over here and have a look at this. There's a little lever there. So you push that down, fold the top down, lift up the lever down the bottom here, push down, that goes up and it folds away. If you want to take the seat out, it's only 2 bolts on either side. Take those bolts out, the whole seat comes out. Now, and also, what I like about these seats with tech-safe seats, it got the 2 anchor points, so you can put 2 child restraints on the back of this. So, putting it away, locks in, pull the lever down, up it goes, not only for children, but also for adults. I hope this has been helpful. I'm Sam, and we'll catch you on the next video.